This is going to be another one of those postcards where there's little to say, as the photos and videos do more talking than we possibly can. Elephant Nature Park is located 58 kilometres out of Chiang Mai in a valley with numerous elephant-based tourist options. Our studies had suggested that the nature park was probably the most ethical in Thailand, so it seemed the obvious pick. There is no feeding, riding or bathing allowed, and the park staff limit any human contact. Each elephant had a minder, and its food is provided by the staff, but wherever possible, the elephants are left to their own devices. All have been rescued from work in logging or tourism, and unfortunately most showed the signs of lives hard lived. The park also rescues water buffalo who roam the same site, and monkeys and cats who are housed elsewhere. The entire setup is vegan, so I couldn't even get a proper milk in my morning coffee at their office in the old city, but there was no doubt that this was the lesser of the evils when it came to elephant tourism, and all entry fees go straight back to the animals.
Wow. Come over here with me, babe. It's okay.
Elephant attack. What heb je het nou?
Nee, dat is een van de oude.
Okay, Nanny is friendly. Just no baby. They know where is the food store. See? Over there, they will go to grab it. And come on. Hello, hello. Okay.
当时皮呀，就是这个。妞妞，妞妞，还有它的那个
Not posing. Her legs is posing.
They're baby?
Yeah,
big baby has
baby boy.
these are the moms.
Yeah, this small. One step on landmine. You see?
I don't understand.
Maar die had die paarse, daar liep er eentje in de
One
paars.
left foot. Yeah. Landmine, Nina. That one is Nanny.
Sounds geluid. Ik hoorde haar van de voeten. Ja, dat gaat zo weer. Kijk, die kleur is helemaal nauw.
Even van zo even kijken. Ja, dat zou wel leuk zijn, toch? Leuk.
Nice with the view. Postcard? Yay. And show your elephants. Yeah. Let's go to mom. Yeah, make her go back this way. That way too small space for that.
Video cool.
The puppy glasses, the front. Hello. Your friend? Buffalo. Many birds.
它有点像啥呢？
你说
Some taste.
Canine.
Yeah. She does have a. Stop. 大象要下水了。
哎呦，还做猪排呀？
我要做。我想做猪排。
这是另外一家的。
花蛋在玩水。喷他们，喷他们！吸水了。
应该是另外一家。
嗨，艾芬，甜甜，背包其实。
透过镜看，
艾芬，甜甜，艾芬，你的数字掉了，我的还没掉。
ใส่ตาจะเจ็บนะลูกนะ
故意的吗？啊，你上一只毛毛虫！我害怕呀！小只狗妈妈，帮助我！来这上小只毛毛虫！
ชั่วโมงนี้เงินให้ไหม